Hey guys, I'm at my niece's house. Got a call right after church. We just got back home and got a call that a fire got out at her house. I was headed towards her pasture where her goats was at, and just scared it was going to get close to the house and catch her house on fire. So all the family and neighbors of the community, and then the fire trucks finally showed up. But we wanted to welcome y'all back to the Lampkin Family Homestead. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. But I will show y'all the aftermath of just stay tuned real quick and I'll show you. God bless. Hey everybody, we're up here at Yellville. That's my niece's place, her Moses Farm. My nephew was burning some boxes and it got out windy and started a fire. All the goats got scared. Got the fire department here. And the goats, they're just hanging out over there, just away from it, thank the Lord. But yeah, they had fire get out. My 10-year-old nephew burning some boxes right there, and his mom told him, said, you better stay on it. And one box got out and caught a fire. And you can see the goats, they escaped, trying to get away from it. They got the goats back in. And that's what neighbors call helping neighbors. You got all these neighbors coming around here, family and fire department. That's why the house is still standing there, because look how close it got to the house. But everybody rushed over in the community, help them get this out, because it could have been a lot worse. It started getting windy, could have got down there in their field and in the woods, and could have got over and burned their barn, and could have had a bunch of dead goats. But thank the good Lord that we got the fire out. But thought we'd share that with you on our channel. But you can see how close it got to our house. And this house is for sale, guys. Somebody looking for some property and a house. I believe it's for sale. Not at the moment, it's in the process. Nice farm. This is Moses Farm. But you can see I'm glad I didn't get over my nephew's Peterbilt over there, or their house. But all right, guys, I just thought I'd share that with you a little bit. Everybody, neighbors helping neighbors get this fire under control before it got worse. Could have burned their house down. Could have burned the pasture down and got in the barn, burn it down. But we got Yellville Fire Department got here, and but neighbors had it under control before the fire department got here. But all right, guys, we thought we'd share that with you. Have a good day. Bye.